Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we will prepare Babaganoush, which is a cream made with eggplants. Let's say it's quite spicy, but really very pleasant. It will be very convenient for your appetizers, or even as a starter when paired with a piadina. We will need ingredients that we often have at home. The original Babaganoush recipe calls for eggplant as the main ingredient, which is easily obtainable. Then some spices like paprika, both sweet and spicy. You can choose salt, parsley, which we will add at the end, and garlic. 1 clove is even too much. With an eggplant roughly the size of this one, we will make a bowl of Babaganoush that will be enough as an appetizer for 4 people. You see here the peanut butter because I usually use this instead of tahini, since of course tahini is an ingredient that for goodness sake can be found but not very easily, especially since I don't use it much. Trust me, it will be an excellent substitute. You won't notice the difference. Then we will need some lemon juice, even less than the juice of a whole lemon for these quantities. Preparing it with this technique will be very easy and especially quick because we will use the microwave. So we take the eggplant, obviously washed and a bit dried, place it in a container suitable for the microwave, and poke it with a fork or a knife. The important thing is that the skin of the eggplant is well pierced. We put it in the microwave for 8 minutes, and at the 4th minute we turn it over. The power should be set to the maximum that you have on your microwave. Okay, the cooking in the microwave is finished and now it is obviously hot. Let's take a sheet of aluminum foil and either wrap the eggplant completely or simply cover our baking dish. Now we let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Of course, it won't cool down completely, but you can also choose to let it cool completely. So, once its resting time is over, you will see that the eggplant, besides being very soft, is still hot, but we will be able to peel it easily. So, with the fork, because it is still very hot, I go to remove the stem part, so we cut it in half. And what we basically need is just the flesh, and we go ahead and remove the skin. Once peeled, either with a knife or using a blender if you prefer, we will finely chop the flesh because it needs to become a smooth cream. So I also do it simply with a knife to make less mess. But if you want to put everything in a mixer, no problem. Perfect. So I have already obtained our cooked eggplant cream. Let's go ahead and add all the other ingredients. Let's start with a level teaspoon of peanut butter. Try to use creamy one and not the chunky variety. Then add juice of half a lemon, salt, and tablespoon of paprika. Let's start mixing, and then, as we say, the last thing we will do is grate in half a clove of garlic. I let it rest for an hour in the refrigerator because it should be consumed cold. I prefer to blend it so that it would be even more homogeneous. I will serve it in small bowls, as we said, as an appetizer, as a starter. Then I will place some crackers around it rather than toasted pyadine or even carousel bread, and we will decorate it with black pepper, chopped parsley, and a drizzle of olive oil. Try it because it is really good, super easy. You saw that in 10 to 15 minutes, it is practically ready. Everyone will definitely appreciate it.